How to fix iPhone is disabled connect to iTunes issue. Let's get started. Step 1. Use recovery mode. Turn off your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and either volume button until the power off slide appears. Slide to turn off. Now put your iPhone in recovery mode. Quickly press volume up, then volume down and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode on screen. Then connect to a computer. Use a lightning cable to connect your iPhone to a computer with iTunes. Step 2. Restore your iPhone. Open iTunes or Finder. If using iTunes, it should detect your iPhone in recovery mode. For Finder, select your iPhone from the sidebar. Choose Restore. A pop-up will appear with two options, Restore or Update. Select Restore to erase your device and reset it. iTunes or Finder will download and reinstall the latest iOS version. Then wait for the process to complete. Once the restore is finished, your iPhone will restart. Set it up as a new or restore from a backup. Restore data. During setup, you'll have the option to restore from iCloud backup or restore from computer backup if you have backed up your iPhone previously. Now you are ready to fix your disabled iPhone and get back to using it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.